Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you that how you can find the blocked user on Roblox. So guys, if you have blocked any user on Roblox and now you want to unblock them or just find the blocked user, so how you're going to do it, watch this video till the end and you will find out. So the first thing you need to do is to tap on the more option once you open your Roblox application, or you can access the same settings on your computer as well. Once you tap on more, from here you need to access settings. So once you tap on settings, in the settings list you need to choose privacy and content maturity. From here you will find the blocked user at the bottom. You need to tap on that, and here is the list of the blocked user. You will find the list here. As you can see, you have not blocked any user on Roblox, so I don't have anyone that I blocked. If I do, it will appear as here. From here you can either delete them or you can unblock them. So guys, this is all it takes to find the blocked users on Roblox. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.